Welcome and thank you for choosing PermaSeal Tire Sealant, the puncture-proof solution. This video is designed to guide you through the proper use and installation of the PermaSeal Tire Sealant product. Following the step-by-step instructions is critical to the success of PermaSeal Tire Sealant product. Any deviation from instructions will affect product performance. Let's get started. All air supply lines must be free of water. Any water contamination during the installation process will cause the PermaSeal tire sealant to dilute and not be as effective. Proper installation requires all 4 tires to freely rotate. Where no above-ground hoist is available, raise only one wheel at a time with use of secure floor jack. Locate tire valve and rotate to the 12 o'clock position. During installation, the tire valve must remain in the 12 o'clock position. Establish tire size and consult the volume chart for correct product amount to be installed. With the tire valve in the 12 o'clock position, remove the valve core. Still in the 12 o'clock position, insert the pump nozzle into the tire valve. Slowly open pump valve. Slowly pump in the PermaSeal tire sealant. Be sure to use slow, even pumps for correct product distribution. Reinstall the valve core and tighten. Ensuring a water-free airline, inflate tire to the vehicle manufacturer's specified tire pressure. Using gauge, check tire pressure for correct pressure amount. Reinstall valve core cover. Install the PermaSeal tire sealant in the remaining tires using the exact same process as demonstrated. Completely fill out the installation sheet with tire size, product quantity, and batch number used. Drive vehicle for 3 miles, checking for out-of-line conditions. Continue to drive vehicle for 20 miles at freeway speed to ensure correct distribution of product inside the tire. Any deviation from the installation process demonstrated will negatively affect the PermaSeal tire sealant product and void the warranty. Cross-section of proper installation. Product is evenly distributed with no pooling at bottom of tire. Thank you for choosing PermaSeal Tire Sealant, and say goodbye to flat tires.